Looking to upgrade your motorcycle handlebars with a mount kit that offers both durability and versatility? The Pro Taper Universal Rubber-Mounted Handlebar Mount Kit is designed for 1-1/8 inch bars, delivering a precision fit with aircraft-grade aluminum construction. If you want a mount that's strong, reversible, and built to last, this kit promises to elevate your riding experience. I recently installed this kit on a Suzuki DR650, and while it wasn't a straight plug-and-play job, the results were worth the effort. The kit replaces the OEM rubber bar mounts, offering a forward or rear mounting option with a 4 mm offset for better control and comfort. However, I ran into some challenges due to the difference in bolt sizes. The Pro Taper bolts are 12 mm, while the stock DR650 bolts are only 10 mm. This meant I had to drill out the original rubber, metal bushings and find the right bolts to secure everything properly. I ended up using a 7/16 inch bolt, which fit better than the supplied hardware and ensured a solid, safe installation. If you're considering this mount kit for your bike, especially if it's a DR650 or a model with similar mounting specs, be prepared to do a bit of customization. Having tools like a drill press and an angle grinder makes the process smoother. The key takeaway? Don't settle for the smaller stock bolts just because they fit. They're a sloppy solution that compromises stability. Taking the time to modify the mounts and use the correct hardware will give you a much more secure and professional setup. What you get with the Pro Taper kit is more than just a handlebar mount. It's a precision-engineered upgrade that can handle the demands of serious riders. The reversible design means you can fine-tune your riding position, and the aircraft-grade aluminum ensures lightweight strength. Plus, it's a solid foundation if you want to add accessories like a GPS or cell phone platform, as I did after installation. Just make sure to plan for the bolt sizes and mounting space accordingly. If you want a handlebar mount that stands up to the ride and offers flexibility, the Pro Taper Universal Rubber-Mounted Handlebar Mount Kit is worth a look. It's designed for riders who value quality and are ready to invest a little time for a perfect fit. If that's you, this kit could be the upgrade your bike needs. Ready to improve your handlebar setup with a mount that combines strength, precision, and versatility? Try the Pro Taper Universal Rubber-Mounted Handlebar Mount Kit when you're ready. It's a practical upgrade that delivers real benefits and supports your riding style.